Your tables are placed. Now bring them to life with a complete guest list, assigned to every seat. From the left panel, open the Event Tables tab. Its header gives you 4 actions: add guests, import from Excel, export to Excel, and download template. Below, every table appears as a collapsible accordion ready to fill. Select any table on the canvas. In its property panel, the guest list section shows 1 row per seat. Click the edit icon next to a seat to open the guest information dialog. A side menu on the left jumps to 6 sections: identification, arrangement, contact, address, meal preferences, and notes. So even a long form stays easy to navigate. Fill the title, first name, and last name. Family and group fields autocomplete from values already used by other guests, so households and tables stay consistent. Set RSVP, yes, no, or sent. Add contact details and a full address. The meal preferences section captures starter, intermediate, main course, and dessert, plus 4 diet toggles: gluten, dairy, nut, shellfish, and a free text allergies field. Drop anything extra in the notes section. Every saved guest appears in the unassigned guests accordion at the top, 1 row per guest with title, name, family, and group columns. Add them all in one go before seating them. To seat a guest, drag the row from unassigned into a seat inside any table accordion below. Each table accordion shows 3 icons on the right. Duplicate clones the whole setup as a new table. Edit reopens the table wizard for that specific table. Locate zooms the canvas straight to it, essential when you have 50 tables in one room. Already have your guest list in a spreadsheet? Click Download Template to grab the Excel format with every column the importer expects: title, names, RSVP, family, group, all meal options, address, plus a table and seat column for direct seat assignment. Fill it, save, then click Import. Heads up, the file completely replaces the current list, so export a backup first if needed. Export to Excel pulls everything back out, the full guest list with each guest's assigned table and seat number. The file also includes a second sheet, Meal Options Summary, with counts per starter, main course, and dessert. Hand it to your caterer and they have exactly what they need to plan portions. From a spreadsheet to a fully assigned banquet, every seat ready for someone.